got this. You have literally got this. Oh yes, 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 yeah!
So.
Oh my god, she's fast. In her Ugg boots and sweater.
See, that cousin looks like she's setting up a kite. Cousin?
Thank you.
It looks epic.
Hey everybody.
Yay!
Everybody's having a great day.
Yay, cousin! So cute. I love it here. Oh, and there are so many kites. I like that frog one.
Professional kites.
I love.
Everybody. Shout out if you want to write something nice about me in the comments. Feel free.
And if you're single, on the prowl.
Single? I could see one of your subscribers being my true love.
You never know, cousin.
Literally never know.
We're just chillaxing waterside. Sissy was like, why are you wearing Uggs? Uggs are not meant for the beach.
They are.
I had to clock her real quick and give her the history. These were actually made for the beach, for surfers in Australia. I know I woke up a killer clown today, but let's all get a spray. And I am from Brooklyn, but that's all right. Thank you. Cousin got it in the air. Waving in the air like you just don't care.
Flashback.
I'd like to introduce you to a special someone.
Hi.
Hey! Yay! And another special someone.
Hi.
Hooray!
It's probably all over my face.
We just made some more progress on the bras.
No.
Now, I think we should probably try to set up Twitch. I think our stream of marathon is gonna begin.
2 hours later.
We're putting ourselves through self-inflicted torture one more time. This will be the last time around.
I know, look
Look at how crusted it is.
Oh, you put so much spray paint. I kept trying to tell you to stop.
That's not good. I don't like how that feels. That doesn't...
I know, I was...
You guys are gonna be flammable.
No, literally.
Bruh.
Don't get us anywhere close to the fireworks.
Oh my god, yeah. Spray paint is highly flammable.
So is...
But with the
spray
brown
adhesive.
hair, this is gonna be a vibe.
Stop.
It does look cute, but holy moly, this is not gonna feel nice on. You can barely even stretch it. This should not be making this noise.
Freaking Claire's just gonna pull out something from her closet. Just throw it together. You look probably better.
I do like it though. No, I did come out a vibe. Look at the glitter. Yeah. On camera. Yeah. Yeah. There's my eyeballs.
My eyeballs.
End of flashback.
Sissy's on her way home, so I'm gonna make this piñata right now. So let me show you guys how I make it. I got her a rainbow one. There was a money sign one, which I would want, but I was trying to think of like what Sissy would want. First we got fidget spinners. I got some bracelets that are supposed to help repel bugs, because Sissy always gets bug bites. So I thought that would be good. Then I got a whole bag of candy that I was able to pick and choose, and specifically Sissy likes cotton candy, so I got only cotton candy flavored lollipops. We got some Hershey Kisses. We got a lot of really cute stuff. Then I got some friendship bracelets. They're gold. I got 4 of them. Then SpongeBob rubber duckies. So cute. Sissy's gonna love those. And it comes with a SpongeBob one too. Okay. Then, second fidget spinner. I hope the lighting in here is good. Ow! Kitten! What the heck? Why would you do that to me? I got another friendship. My friendship bracelet, I mean like these gold friendship bracelets. Super cute. I wish the... Kitten! Get out of here! Then I got a SpongeBob yo-yo, which I honestly want. So I'm gonna try to run to this once the pinata is popped. Kitten patties. We got kitten. If you don't quit it, some cookies and cream Hershey's. Those are the ones that Sissy likes. And then I got Reese's, and I think that's it. $20 in all 5s. All right. Now I gotta clean up.
2 weeks later.
Hey, whether or not you guys know, I was fired from my job. I got fired. I was let go and left stranded in the middle of a city I've never been to before. To say it was cruel would be an understatement. I don't think it was fair at all. But today I'm going to pick up my stuff. So when I went to South Carolina to give some lore, I packed 1 suitcase and left the rest of my stuff inside of the room, aka like 6 months worth of stuff, aka cash, aka, and of course I should have brought everything. My fault. I wasn't expecting to be fired after working for someone for 6 months. Like, it's not like I just got the job like 2 weeks ago. Like, I didn't really like know the person. Like, no, I really thought this guy was a good person. I really did. Whatever. I was fired. So we're going to pick up the stuff today. And I'm trying to decide the approach. He still owes me $2,000, which of course isn't like a crazy amount of money, but it's enough that could pay 2 months of rent at my new apartment. Or go towards a new car. You know, so I hope he does the right thing and pays up. But I haven't reminded him. I want to assume this guy isn't so terrible. I try to assume the best. Of course you get proved differently, commonly. Okay, we're pulling up. Doesn't look, guys, look at this. Imagine living here. Fuck this. Oh my gosh, and here are his trucks. I mean, like, it's one thing with this whole vibe when like it's lively and you're in a new city and things are going on, but like, imagine being here full time. I couldn't. God bless. I forgot Blake has a key.
How the fuck?
How the some sock. How does this make you feel?
Like you've been getting played this entire time by this company.
Like what?
Like you've been getting played this whole time by this company. This is where you stayed?
You hate it?
This is
Okay.
like human trafficking.
Look at
Wait, help me up.
Get in.
Oh! Who is that?
Lukey.
Lookers!
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, who is that?
Oh, okay.
Wait, I don't have much shit here.
No, it's not too much.
I literally thought it was like your Bree stuff.
A few closing remarks. Jared was actually the one that punched the hole in here. And he said he would use it to help him grab beers before he died. This room became a sanctuary. It did, for a brief period of time. At first, I was mortified when I first saw this room. I was like, absolutely mortified. But once I made it my own, I got used to it. And once the AC was in was the biggest thing. Like, when it's hot in here, it's disgusting. But I'm grateful for all the memories. This summer has been absolutely incredible. I did have an incredible time while I was here, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Bye, room. I'll leave this as a token of, unless I want it.
Please no.
Leave it.
Leave it. Double it and pass it on to the next.
The other ones have to come with though.
Yesterday's gone.
AC is here. We didn't take the AC. We're gonna be the bigger person. Check one more time under the bed. Oh, the speaker. And this button. Ah. Can't leave this. Free VP.